A new law passed by state Republicans in May changes how a petition can get to your ballot on Election Day. I'm 2 News reporter Samson Tamajani, and that new law has direct consequences for a new marijuana legalization campaign.
It is taking away Oklahomans' constitutional right.
What's wrong with giving a voice to rural jurisdictions?
A new petition for State Question 837 began collecting signatures on August 6th and aims to enshrine recreational marijuana for anyone 21 and older into the state constitution. This is despite Oklahoma's new petition law currently being challenged at the state Supreme Court. The law states petitions must collect about 173,000 signatures in 90 days and from at least 20 counties. As this graph from the Oklahoma Policy Institute shows, there's also a limit to how many registered voters in each county can have their signature count, significantly reducing impact from larger counties. Amber England has worked on several state question campaigns and warns the current petition is already doomed if the law holds up.
So I've been on, all sides of this issue, and I can promise you no politician that's pushing this law has actually tried to get something on the ballot through initiative petition. If they had done that, they would understand just how difficult a process it is.
Tulsa County's Steve Kunzweiler is the district attorney of the second largest county in the state, but endorses the restrictions.
I'm going to advocate for what that law was clearly intended to do, which was to make it a level playing field. And so those folks in rural jurisdictions ought to be able to have their voices heard just as much as folks in the urban centers.
As for this new fight to legalize recreational marijuana, the DA makes his stance clear.
You already have medical marijuana. Why do you need to step up and say, well, we need access to the 21 and older population. We want to make it available to everybody. What is behind that? And I'm telling you, it's all about money.
Kunzweiler also points me to the websites and studies warning about the health effects of normalized marijuana use, especially in young people. England dismisses both his claims.
It is a restriction that does not apply to politicians like Mr. Kunzweiler. He can take out of state money. Does he think that should be illegal? This is hogwash. It's just smoke and mirrors that these politicians are pushing to try to scare people and hold power for themselves and take power away from voters.
In Tulsa, Samson Tamajani, 2 News, Oklahoma.